Okay, I am sitting in here in Cousin Eddie and just got a tornado warning here at work. And it is getting crazy outside. This all started like in about 1 minute or so. It was just like super sunny about 1 minute ago. Yeah, it's getting crazy out there. Where did the sun go? Looking out my back window here, it looks like there is hail starting to appear. It's starting to hail. What the heck is going on? Good news is I'm in Florida. Well, that's not a good news because we get hurricanes. This can't be a hurricane. Whoa, this is insane. Why is the lights off back here? Might do it. Ah, there we go. Lights on. Look at that, cat. We have lights. Come on over here. Come to me. Come to me. We're back in the truck, safe from the hurricane-y type weather. Not knowing where we're going next, but it's going to be something special. I'm sure of it. Look at her. Look at her. No, don't stop. Here, come here. Come here. Look at that. Do what you were doing. Play with the microphone. Play with the microphone over here. Rub your head right here. There you go. That's what you were doing. So yeah, what a storm. Riding the storm out in Cousin Eddie in my RV. Then hopped back in here in the truck and headed north. Left Florida. Now I'm all the way up here in Detroit, Michigan. Well, me and the cat. We're going to be pulling an all-nighter, hitting warehouse after warehouse after warehouse, up to 6 warehouses tonight, ending tomorrow at 11 a.m. And then starting all again tomorrow, continuing on to Minnesota. Don't know what we're going to find, but I'm going to have my camera at hand. Let's finish tonight up, and I'm going to take you guys from Detroit, Michigan to Minneapolis, Minnesota, with a few stops here and there. I can't believe I found something to shoot video of today. It's not the cat, unless she jumps up in the window. We'll see. Nope, she's not jumping up. Just looking out. But over here we got a lot of geese with baby geese. And I don't want to get too close because they do have babies. And you know what happens when you get close to babies. Parents usually get angry. So I'll just keep my distance. But there's a whole lot of babies. There's like 5 behind these ones. And then there's bigger babies back there. Lots of babies. They were snoozing underneath that shade and I came and disturbed them, so they're heading to the water. I'm actually trying to find a place like this that I can park sideways and have green grass all around me, because as a science project, I'd like to use my green screen on a live stream. I mean, I've used my green screen in the truck many times, but can you use bright sun and grass? Can you use grass as a green screen? And then your background, you walk on it. So like I could have the computer, my camera, aim down here, turn the green screen settings on StreamYard, make this a big green screen with me walking on it. I could be looking like I'm walking on water or something crazy. It's something I think I'm gonna try this weekend. This would be a great place for it. It's just, I'm not parked optimal. Do you mind if I come in? Can I come in? Can I come in? Back up, let me in. Let me in. Now, as fantastic as those baby geese were, there's something here that is even more incredible. And it has to do with what's inside that building right over there. So today I'm taking you guys window shopping inside of a chain store that spreads from coast to coast here in the United States. It's a sporting goods store, but there's something unique about these specific stores. Let me show you. It's kind of cool and kind of creepy at the same time, depending on which side of the animal rights stuff that you agree with. Me, I don't agree with what's in here, but it's still really fascinating to have something like this within a store. One thing I noticed right off the bat is they have these at Walmart's, but they're only 229 bucks. Here, a little bit more. But all sorts of different sized ones. Out in front of each one of these stores across the United States is a bronze statue. Some of them have bears, some have eagles. This one here has deer chasing each other. To greet you before you walk in. These are not little sporting goods stores. These are ginormous. Anyway, let's go check out what's inside, because there's quite a bit to see. Would you guys look what is inside this sporting goods store? Pretty much every sort of big game in North America. Yeah, this place here has a pretty big selection of taxidermy animals. They do a really well job of making you feel you're outside while you're inside. And this isn't all they have. It's not just animals from North America. Scattered throughout the store, there's animals from all different countries. Now, I don't know if they were hunted and shot, or if a lot of it was roadkill. I'm assuming it's kind of either or and just sold at the store. But it is pretty impressive. And not only that, there's a large aquarium over here where I believe you can actually fish. From up here, you can see other things. Like over there is Africa, obviously, because here in the United States, we don't have elephants or rhinos, except at zoos and places like this. But here is a good overview of everything in the store. It is massive, whether you're into hunting, fishing, camping, RVing, any outdoor sports at all. I think they pretty much got you covered. It's like going to a zoo, getting in the habitat without having to worry about the dangers. Man, I wish I had the room on my RV or on my truck to have one of these things every time I park. How fun would that be? I mean, but I can't even carry my electric bicycle. I have a hard time carrying my Segway. So I made it over to the aquarium, and most of these places have a place where you can actually fish and test out lures and stuff like that. They have a big water feature that you can cast into. I don't think this Cabela's actually does, but they do have a pretty decent sized aquarium that you can walk through. And I'm gonna take you through there now and see some North American fish. It's not SeaWorld, but it's pretty okay. Don't know what he's looking at. He's just happy to be on camera. There's just something about aquariums. They're really tranquil. It just adds to your shopping experience. I mean, I came in here just wanting to record video for you guys, but they made me so relaxed because I'm going to the Philippines and it is summertime in Florida. I had to get a new pair of flip-flops. Damn aquariums making me so tranquil. Look at the size of that catfish. Meow. I'm wondering if these guys here facing all this stuff makes them worried. They see these fishing poles and they go, oh no. I mean, fishing poles are like rifles to deer, basically. I mean, that's the weapon of choice for these guys. I would be worried. Staff has no sympathy. Yep, so that's about it for today's video. A quick trip inside Cabela's, some geese on the grass, and a little bit of driving. Time to go back to the vehicle, prep for a members only live stream, and then find something to eat. But after that, on to starting my next video, which should be pretty fascinating. Superman Celebration's coming up. I hope you all tune in for that. But until then, remember it, man. I love you guys. You are amazing. And I'll talk to you on the next one from down the road. Peace out, everybody.